What's up guys? My name is Sid and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually excited to do this vlog for you guys. Why? Because we're going to have another food adventure. Ayan, we were invited by Miekoys Pizza to visit two of their pizza branches. Dito lamang yan sa Boracay and Santo Domingo. And of course, syempre napakasarap guys ng pizza ng Miekoys kasi hindi lang po to affordable, quality, but also ang daming variety of flavors na pwede nyong pagpilian. Kaya, excited ako guys na puntahan yung dalawang branches nila. Nako, anong may expect nyo dito sa vlog ko? Naku, puro pagkain lang, o diba? And of course, sasamahan din po tayo ng ating owners ng Boracay and Santo Domingo branch. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako to another food venture dito sa aking YouTube channel. Kaya ano pinaantay nyo? Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Alright, so right now we're driving and we're on our way to our first branch na bibisitahin. Yung first branch na bibisitahin natin is yung Miekoys Pizza Boracay branch. Ayan. So, quick trivia, alam nyo ba guys, may 65 branch na po ang Miekoys dito sa Philippines. O diba, napakarami. So, ibig sabihin, with Miekoys vision of being one of the largest pizza brand here in the Philippines, nako, I think it's going to be a reality very soon. Ayan. Kaya punta na kayo sa nearest branch ng Miekoys Pizza. Hey guys! Ayan! So nandito na tayo ngayon sa harap ng newest branch ng Miekoys Pizza. Dito lamang yan sa Boracay, Albay. Kaya tara! Lasahan natin yung kanilang napakasarap na pizza. Let's go! Now, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Boracay branch ng Miekoys Pizza. And sobrang happy ako kasi napakalaki at napaka-heartfelt ng ating pizza for today. Ang tawag sa pizza nito ay Manay Heart. As you can see, it's heart-shaped and naku, ang daming different flavors na pwede mong i-try. May inaantay pa tayong isa yung ating nachos and fries. But also, meron din tayo dito milk tea and at the same time, meron din tayong mga halo-halo.
Good afternoon, sir. Your nachos and fries.
Ay, ayan! O, diba, Tara? Yung nag-serve sa atin ay ang owner ng Boracay branch ng Miekoys Pizza, si Sir John Quinto. Ayan, hi! So, andito ngayon si Sir John Quinto to talk about what made him franchise Miekoys Pizza.
Actually, the reason why we franchise this Miekoys Pizza is because of the flavor. Talagang, me and my wife used to go around and look for dishes na mga masasarap. And one time, when we went to Sorsogon, nalasahan namin itong Miekoys. And hindi na nakatulog yung life. And talagang pinush niya na hanapin namin yung owner and we should inquire kung paano mag-franchise. And hindi kami nagkamali.
Yun, di ba? Kaya naman, ilang months pa lang to, sir, na Boracay?
Soft opening na yung October 12.
Bago pa lang.
Parang hindi pa nag-1 month.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, drop by here at Miekoys Pizza here at Boracay, Albay.
Miekoys Pizza Boracay is located at Magsaysay Avenue, Barangay 11, Boracay, Albay.
Thank you so much, Sir John. Thank you so much. So right now, itatry na natin yung kanilang napakasarap na pizza. So for this variety, nako, kinostomize po natin yung ating Manay Heart Pizza para naman matry natin yung iba-ibang flavors na ino-offer dito sa Miekoys Pizza Boracay branch. Ako favorite ko talaga ang Okinawa. Yeah, let's try. Ang sarap. Napaka-refreshing guys. So perfect siya with your pizza. Try natin yung ating pizza. Meron din silang kasamang cutter. Free ba to? So ito, this is shawarma. Yes. O dito try natin guys. Para sa mga shawarma lovers dyan, perfect to para sa inyo. Overloaded with meats, overloaded with flavors, and very cheesy siya. Kaya tapos siya pinakain. Try natin yung nachos and fries. Let's go. Ito gusto ko sa fries, crispy. And as you can see, it's overloaded. Sulit na sulit talaga. And of course guys, perfect ang ating pizza experience dito sa Miekoys if kasama mo ang friends and family mo. Hindi po ito mauubos lahat. Kaya kailangan talaga may kasama kayo dito guys. So again, just visit any Miekoys branch. Pero kung nandito kayo malapit sa 1st District of Albay, drop by Bakakay branch of Miekoys Pizza. Alright, so tapos na tayong mag-try and visit ng Miekoys Pizza branch dito sa Bakakay, Albay. For only 499 pesos, you will get a heart-shaped pizza with customized flavors. If I really have to visit Miekoys Pizza, dito lang yan sa Bakakay, Albay branch. Let's go! So malapit na tayo sa second branch ang pupunta natin, which is the Miekoys Pizza Santo Domingo branch. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Santo Domingo branch ng Miekoys Pizza. This branch is very unique kasi alfresco style and at the same time garden po ang iyong pwedeng dine-in dito sa kanilang branch. Kaya tara na, samahan niyo ako as we dine in dito sa Santo Domingo branch of Miekoys Pizza. Let's go! Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Santo Domingo branch of Miekoys Pizza. As you can see, napakasarap na po ng pagkain na kanilang hinanda. Napakasarap nito, I'm sure. Let's try. Nauuhaw ako. Oo nga, sarap. Kaya guys, isama nyo na ang friends and family nyo dito sa Miekoys Pizza dito sa Santo Domingo, Albay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ayan, meron pa palang kasama na blueberry pizza. Hindi ko alam sir na ikaw din pala ang may-ari dito. So sir, ano bang difference ng branch nyo dito sa Santo Domingo than your other branches?
Ang Santo Domingo kasi, ang pinakauna naming Miekoys. Ito yung first try namin ng Miekoys kung magiging successful or hindi. Due to pandemic, we decided na gawin yung Miekoys here mismo sa aming compound. So, before it was a garden, it was converted into a place where people could chill out and taste pizza.
So kaya guys, with their branch, hindi lang talaga in-offer nila ang masasarap and affordable but quality pizza, but also, may enjoy nyo din ang kanilang place dito sa Santo Domingo branch of Miekoys Pizza.
Welcome po lahat sa gustong matikman ang Miekoys Pizza in Santo Domingo. We are located at Purok 2, Barangay Kalayukay, Santo Domingo, Albay. Malapit kami sa mga beach resorts. If ever nagplan kayo to have a swimming, you could always text or call us and we will deliver it sa mga resorts.
Ayan, o diba? So pwede nyo pala dalhin nga to with your family and friends sa inyong mga swimming dito malapit sa Santo Domingo Beaches. Thank you so much, Sir John! Ano bang unang try natin? Of course, yung kanilang Love Triangle Pizza. Ayan, o diba? Overload pizza to guys. Ito yung isa sa best seller ng Miekoys Pizza. So diba? Let's try na natin. Let's go! Diba nakikita nyo, may mushroom, may onions, and may green bell pepper, may meat, and at the same time, my favorite kong pepperoni and a lot of cheese. Kaya tara, let's go. Kainin natin. So So now itatry naman natin yung kanilang spaghetti na overloaded din ng cheese. Nako, para sa mga cheese lovers like me, nako, ma-enjoy nyo to for sure. It comes with a heart-shaped garlic bread. Yan, na pwede nyo to munch together with your spaghetti. Yan. Yan, lasang-lasa yung garlic. So guys, may bago pala sila ding menu. Very unique siya sa Miekoys Pizza. Pizza na dessert. Imagine for 165 pesos, you can have this. Pwede maging dessert or snacks. Ayan, may blueberry talaga. Oh, wow. Let's try. Oh my God. Masarap yung blueberry. And favorite ko kasi yung blueberry cheesecake. You have to try it here sa Miekoys Pizza, Santo Domingo branch. Sarap!
Miekoys Pizza is indeed not your ordinary pizza place in town. Sa presyong pangmasa, kalidad at sa napakasarap at unique na flavors, ang Miekoys Pizza ay siguradong babalik-balikan mo. With the 65 branches nationwide, naku, sugod na! At tikman ang sarap ng Miekoys Pizza and share the love to your friends and family. Your best choice, Miekoys.